In this video, we're looking at the TT range of dial measuring torque screwdrivers. Dial measuring screwdrivers display the actual torque load applied using an analog dial. The mechanism does not break, slip or disengage at a set torque. The TT screwdrivers can be used to measure both clockwise and anti-clockwise torques with an accuracy of plus or minus 6%. There are 4 models in the TT range, with capacities of 50, 100, 250 and 500 centinewton meters. Each model also features an imperial scale in either ounce inches or pound inches, and is supplied with an individual certificate of calibration. 2 modes of operation are available on the TT screwdriver. Track mode shows the currently applied torque on the dial. When the torque is released, the pointer returns to 0. Peak mode displays the maximum value applied and is activated by disengaging the white plastic slider on the side of the tool. To measure a clockwise torque, the pointer is rotated anti-clockwise to the stop and the dial is re-zeroed. The pointer will now stick at the maximum value. Once the value is noted, the pointer is rotated back to the 0 stop position. To measure an anti-clockwise torque, the pointer is rotated clockwise as shown here, and the procedure repeated. A choice of drive types is offered on all TT models, either a 1/4 inch male square for use with sockets, or a 1/4 inch female hexagon for use with screwdriver bits and blades. Robust construction using stainless steel, anodized aluminium and industrial plastics makes this tool suitable for most environments. For more information about Torqueleader dial screwdrivers, please visit our website at www.torqueleader.com.